Hi everyone, this is Gina Crochet Gal. Today I'm going to be doing a requested tutorial from a viewer. I don't even know if she's a subscriber, so this one's for you, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. Alright, I started off with a magic circle and I did 8 single crochets. Okay, we're going to wing it here because I don't even remember how to do it. So go ahead and tighten up. Take this off here. Hopefully this won't be too long or redone many times. It's pretty difficult to do to hold the camera in front. Okay, so I tightened it up a little bit, and then we're going to close it with a slip stitch. Excuse me, I know I'm not in frame. So we're going to go ahead and hold on, let me just the beginning is always hard for me to do on camera. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and inserted the hook into the last stitch, pull through, and there's your slip stitch. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. Okay, all right, so just to recap, you can either do 3 or 4 single crochets and then do a slip stitch to the first stitch and then crochet 8 single crochets like that, or you can do the magic circle and single crochet your 8 like that. All right, let's begin. I'm going to do 3 chain stitches. Came out here, 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochets in the next stitch, and that's the next stitch right here, Trying to position it so you can see. So if my hook comes out, bear with me. 2, and the final one, 3. Okay, I have done variations to this flower, which means I have done different sizes so that the petal is more of a curved look. For this particular one, I'm just going to, as I'm indicating here, I'm just going to do the 3 double crochets, but you can do what I usually do is a single crochet here, then a half double crochet, and then the double crochet, and that makes the curve nicer. Okay, and then the next one is just to go ahead and do a slip stitch in the next stitch, and there we have formed the first petal. Okay, like that. So we're going to go ahead and repeat that all the way around. I'll do one more with you. One, 2, and 3, and then 3 double crochets in the next stitch. Whoops, I knew that was going to happen. Now I'm looking through a screen, so it's not directly I don't have the project right in front of me, so it does take a little bit more time. Try not to let the hook slip through the yarn. Okay, and here's the last one. Okay, so that's 3. So after the 3rd double crochet, we're going to go ahead and insert our hook and then pull through for the slip stitch. All right. Okay, I'll do another one. 1, 2, 3. And if you do, I should have said this at the beginning, but you can start off with a long beginning strand so that if you want to sew it on, you just leave a longer tail, or you can do that at the end. here's the first one, 2, oops, and the third one. Now again, we are putting all 3 double crochets in the same hole, okay? The next stitch is just our slip stitch. Pull all the way through. Okay, and this is what we have so far. All right, see how we're looking like a little flower here? We have 3 petals so far. So go ahead and repeat that, and I will come back when you're finished with the end. Okay, now we have reached the end, and all you do, I just went ahead and left off at the last double crochet. So we're going to go ahead and insert and just find a space where it'll work. Insert your hook so we can go ahead and do the slip stitch. All right, so then you get your pair of scissors and you leave a tail and just go ahead and cut that off. There you go. All right, so just pull it all the way through so that it forms a knot, and there you have it. Okay, there is your flower. All right, and again, you know, you can do variations of it. Now, the person that requested this video, she was watching one of the crochet videos from the past, and it was a phone holder, and I topped the phone holder with a button and also a little flower like this. So her request was for me to do that flower. Okay, in a previous video, if you want to do a more elaborate flower, which is a rose pattern, I do have a crochet rose pattern, but you want to look back on that. So I hope this video was visually able to see, and give it a try. Let me know what you think. Again, there are lots of variations to this flower. Okay, different sizes, different hook sizes. This size that I used was an I, so it was a little bit larger. But you can play around with it, have fun, create, use variegated yarns, use whatever types of yarns you have on hand. You can even use the thin yarn, and that makes a really pretty flower. Okay, everyone, thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday afternoon, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.